All right, off the campus and down towards my car. It's that time of the year. It's fall 2025, and I just finished the first week of Business for Good classes, and I can definitely say the last class was interesting, very interesting, but not bad, interesting. Every group is different, every set of students are different, which reminds me to stay on my toes, noting that I am not going to have the same energy, the same reception, and the same approach that I take with each and every student. I think I knew that already. I knew that already. But it is important when little things in class happen and you're reminded that every student is an individual, right? Every single student is an individual. But my main takeaway from class today is this, or what I really hoped that my students would take away from this course, is that problems are opportunities. Yes, problems are problems, but problems are opportunities. Problems are opportunities, right? Because if things keep going the way things are going with AI and everything else that is happening in the world, who knows if this batch that is graduating are going to have jobs, right? And that was the concern that a lot of them brought up when I talked to them during our opening greeting session of the class. And most of them are worried about AI and the impact on jobs and all of that. And I just kept emphasizing, this is a problem, yes, but can this be an opportunity? Now that you're aware of this problem, is there anything you can do to build towards a situation where you don't have to depend solely on somebody hiring you because AI took away the jobs? Will you be willing to use this class as an opportunity to create a business down the road for yourself in order to provide for yourself instead of waiting for somebody to hire you? So it is a problem that you might face 5 years from now, 3 years from now, 2 years from now, when you graduate, depending on when each and everyone graduates. But the key thing is, I want them to have skills that they can build off of when they leave the program. And if the going gets tough and they cannot find work, they can create work. There's always going to be an AI that comes and takes away people's job. There's always going to be some challenge or the other. But if they can build the mindset of not waiting for somebody to hire them, they can actually start thinking like entrepreneurs. They can start thinking like problem solvers. They can start looking at problems in the community not as just problems that they would take away from them, but opportunities for them to create something that is lasting, opportunity for them to create a job, opportunity for them to build something that could also hire other people instead of depending on a company to hire them. I repeated this a few times, but I'm at my car, and hello for 2025. I hope the semester is going to be good, and I really pray that the students will learn the lessons that will be useful for them moving forward in their lives. Thank you.